Hello kids. Welcome to PS classes. Our objective is to create love for education. Let's begin with the video.
Hello students, today we will learn the sound of T as in tap. Now we will see some of the examples. T says T as in table. T says T as in tap. T says T as in tea. T says T as in telephone. T says T as in tomato. T says T as in toothbrush. T says T as in boat. T says T as in carrot. T says T as in goat. T says T as in jet. T says T as in nest. T says T as in rocket. Now we will see the initial position. T says T as in table. T, table. T says T as in tap. T, tap. T says T as in tea. T, tea. T says T as in telephone. T, telephone. T says T as in tomato. T, tomato. T says T as in toothbrush. T, toothbrush. Final position. T says T as in boat. T, boat. T says T as in carrot. T, carrot. T says T as in goat. T, goat. T says T as in jet. T, jet. T says T as in nest. T, nest. T says T as in rocket. T, rocket.